In 2001, a group of young dreamers, traversing mountains and hills, ventured into Jingshan Town in Shangli County, the hometown of the fireworks founder, Li Tian. There, they established the fireworks factory, Sunsong Fireworks, which means conviction, belief, and confidence. Since then, it has gradually shone brightly in the night sky of many countries. Fireworks from Shangli County represent the millennia-old intangible cultural heritage. Sunsong has always upheld craftsmanship, forging ahead in challenging environments, continuously introducing cutting-edge technologies, innovating fireworks craft, and achieving a dual enhancement in quality and efficiency. Today, Sunsong has transformed into a dazzling gem in the fireworks industry, integrating fireworks research, production, sales, packaging, printing, and display services. With the company's diversified development, its business has expanded into areas such as real estate development. Sunsong has grown into a national high-tech enterprise and a provincial-level specialized, refined, differential, and innovative enterprise, shining brightly in the fireworks industry. Sunsong Fireworks offers a wide variety of products. Its flagship products include display shells, consumer cakes, party candles, and rockets. These products have not only won acclaim with the industry, but have also crossed oceans, reaching hundreds of countries across the world. Let the beauty of Sunsong Fireworks bloom in every corner of the world is not the original mission of Sunsong people, but also their unwavering commitment. Through years of dedication, Sunsong now boasts a highly experienced sales team. By steadfastly adhering to their mission, tirelessly striving, keenly understanding market demands, and deeply researching customer trends, they have established sales networks in key fireworks consumption areas around the world and collaborated with numerous strategic partners to move forward together. For over 20 years, through trials and tribulations, from North America to Europe, from Southeast Asia to the Persian Gulf, Sunsong's Belt and Road footprint spans the globe. The company's annual self-operated export volume exceeds 540 feet HQ containers, with its Sunsong, Legend, and other brands renowned worldwide, ranking among the top in market share. Sunsong always adhere the principle of integrity-based, win-win cooperation. The company has achieved market revenues exceeding 100 million for consecutive years, being recognized as a star enterprise, contributing tens of millions in taxes at the city and county levels. Fireworks splash, stars gleam bright, moonlight washes dust from the heart's plight. Looking ahead, Sunsong will make brand management its core, collaborating with renowned universities and research institutions to build a cutting-edge research and development center for fireworks and firecracker new materials, technologies, and products, as well as a quality inspection center. They will promote the research and application of new technologies, such as automatic molding lines, Roman candle lines, and automatic firecracker production lines, striving for continuous innovation and outstanding quality. Adhering to the philosophy of innovation, quality, and service, Sunsong is based in China's fireworks hub, aiming globally, forging ahead, and letting the world witness its magnificent new look. Sunsong Fireworks, your best choice, makes the world more vibrant because of your presence.